MB2 gorilla. MB2 room 1. This is a piece. This is MB2 room 1. 2, 4, 6, 7. There are 7 here. 7 piglets. The wool shaving. In there is the food. Our pigs are growing. We don't know what really happened. MB2 room 2. As you see, this is the 2 pigs that are shivering. This is all 2. Put them in MB2 room 2. And they are still living, moving. But they just shivering, that's all. So we try to face the wood and bring heat. So this is MB2 room 2. As you can see on this side, you can still see the wood shaving the chicken again. That scratches. So this is room 2. MB2 room 3. Our chicken baskets are all here. Our chicken baskets are all here.
Johnny. You funny?
So in MB2 room 4 is well placed, where I placed the dead body of the piglets. As you can see, that is the dead body. No mark, no nothing on it. Just there. And here, my grandfather said we shouldn't put any wood shaving here for the chicken that will hatch, the duck, everything will be in here because I will notice that the sawdust, it kill majority of the ducklings, kill the chicks behind the country chicken. And for that reason, my grandfather said we should leave all of them just like that. So any duck or chicken hatch, we can then put it in that room. So that room should remain just like that because the sawdust really damage the ducklings and that of the chicks. So this is room MB2. MB2.